I close $500 a month clients in Facebook DMs without ever getting on a call. No Zoom, no cold call, not even a voice note. Just one Facebook post that costs me nothing, and one DM conversation that follows the exact same script every time. My cost to acquire a customer with this? About $9. And in this video, I'm going to give you the post, the DMs, and the close, word for word, so you can copy the whole thing today. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Balint, and right now I'm traveling Europe with my wife and my 3-year-old while I run a $40,000 a month agency I built from the ground up with just a cell phone and a laptop. No Zoom, no ads, no team. Here's the entire strategy in one sentence. I give away a free website, and the website sells everything else for me. I go to local Facebook groups and Nextdoor, and I make this post. Word for word. I'm looking to build a free website for 2 local plumbing companies this week. No catch, no strings attached. You own the site files. I'm just looking for feedback. Comment below or DM me. That's it. Now swap plumbing for whatever niche is in that group. Now here's what happens. The comments flood in. I've had posts with 40 or 50 people saying, I want one. I taught this to someone in my school community, and they had so many posts, Facebook actually flagged them and made them verify that they're a real person. And that's a problem you want to have. But Balint, building websites takes forever or costs a lot of money. Nope. I use an AI builder. It takes about 5 minutes and a couple of clicks. It pulls their Google listing on their existing site and spits out a 15 to 20 page WordPress website with service pages, with area pages, FAQs, blog, and a contact form. The kind of site people pay $2,000 for. My VA builds them now. I don't even click the buttons. And here's the part that makes the system work. The site goes on a temporary domain that expires within 7 days. So think about it. The urgency is built in. I'm not making up a fake deadline. The link actually dies. So I DM them. Here's your website. It's on a temporary domain that expires in 7 days. Let me know what you want to do with it. And that's it. I don't say anything else. I don't pitch. I just wait. They open the link expecting some garbage template, and instead, they open a 20-page website with their information on it. And every single one of them sends back a version of the same thing. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Okay, now what? That question is the entire business model. Because they have a website they love, a clock that's ticking, and no idea what to do next. There are only 3 ways this goes. 1, how do I keep this? That's the big one. You can host it wherever you want, or you can host it with us. For $59 a month, you get hosting, maintenance, updates, and SEO. And I'm not trying to make money on hosting. I'm trying to get into their business. 2, can you just migrate it to my hosting? Absolutely. We have a $250 migration fee. That's 10 minutes of work for $250. 3, they ghost you or they take the files. Fine. It cost me $9 and 5 minutes. Now here's where the $500 a month happens. And it happens entirely on DMs. I have clients that have been paying me $500 a month for a year that don't even know my phone number. Once they're hosting with me, I say this. By the way, when I was setting up your site, I noticed you only had 17 reviews and you weren't coming up on the first page of Google. Has anyone ever explained to you why that is or how it works? Sound familiar? It's my exact cold call framework. I'm just typing it instead of saying it. They say no, nobody's ever told me. So I explain it right there in Messenger. Reviews builds trust, ranking gets you found, and the website convert the clicks into a phone call. And then I can run all 3 of these for you. The reviews, the rankings, the website you already have, and normally it's $8.99 a month. But there's a scholarship right now for insert their niche with any information you have about the business, like how many employees they have, and that brings it down to $4.99. And that price is locked in even if you grow. Want me to send the payment link? The thing is, by giving them that free website, you've already produced more than most agencies have. And you've built so much trust. I've closed $500 a month clients this way without ever hearing their voice. Not once. And these clients are sticky because I own their reviews, their rankings, and their website. Canceling with me means blowing up their entire online presence. And one last thing, we hooked the site's contact form into gohighlevel, so every lead gets texted to them right away. Now the website is proving itself week after week without you lifting a finger. If you want the full system, the exact Facebook post, the DM scripts, the upsell sequence, the snapshots, it's all inside my community. You also get 2 live calls a week with me, and you can get access completely free. The link is down below. We'll see you on the calls.